first of all, you need to use the scale to make a line, straight line going down, precisely in the middle, like that. And then if you need to make it longer, make it longer, which I need to. Okay, so there. Then make a line above, not in the middle. The middle will make it a little more weird. This is the place where you'll keep the eyes. So see how much you want the width of the face to be. I think this is enough for mine. Now, just go ahead and sketch out the face the way you want it to. You can make it big or small, small or big. I just like to keep it a simple face. Is that what you call it? Move the excess. Just keep gentle lines for sketching. I know I did this one dark, but continue making the face. If you all are following at home, perfect. You guys might be doing really great. Okay, now that we have this, I'll fast forward this part so it doesn't take a long time. Okay, let me fast forward. Okay, so now that this is done, let's go and move on into the face. So let's get into it. So you need to make a small line here. Curve that goes up. Try to get it as curvy or as much as you like. There. Now that that's done, repeat on the same side like so. Okay, now what you need to do is just one line here, one line here. As big as you want the lashes to be. Right now I'm going like this. So now that the lashes are done, I just pointed out the marks where I needed the mouth to go. Okay, she's begging for food. I will give her in a while. So now make the part where the lid is. And now I'm gonna make the eyes, eyebrows, lightly. I'm putting them in this position. For some reason. Okay, I need to fix that. Okay, And wait for a second, I need to give my cat the food because she's begging. Okay, so I fixed the eyebrows, and now you can mark out the place you need to put the nose and the mouth. First, I'm just gonna make a basic nose. Start with the nostril, one nostril, one there. You know, it looks a little weird, but it'll turn out fine. Just go with the flow. Then make the nose, the part of the nose. Let me fix that nostril. So big, so weird. Okay, there. Just make a slight smile or whatever type you want the expression to be. And just hook it up with the lips. So now let's start with her scarf. Mark out where her cap would be if you were her. In my case, it would be right here. Just make it as big as you want it to. See? Like so. Now what we need to do is just see how the scarf would. This is how I imagine her scarf. You people can either copy me or make your own. I'm just making a simple scarf. And then like that. There's one part done. I'm just gonna make a small imitation of if her hair was a bun. If her hair was a bun, then there'd be a small bump up here. Now you can do the same with the other side. And I'm gonna make small wrinkles here and there. As you guys can see, this is turning out pretty nice. Now let's start with the coloring. I mean the shading. Shading the eyebrows like so. Both sides. Should be like that. And then make strokes. The hairs of the eyebrow. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna quickly fast forward this part. Extremely quickly, and see you in a second. Okay, so I am done with both sides. And I am gonna make eyeshadow first, because I like making eyeshadow. So if you need to just keep layering up the lines, like, see, it makes it look shinier. See, like that. Same with the other. And if you're enjoying this tutorial, then give this tutorial a like and comment down below what you think. If it helped you, or do I need some improvement? And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And so now what you need to do is with the lips, these lips, make them a slight bit darker. Like that. Okay, and for shading, you'll always need where the light is coming from. So for me, it's coming from here. So not from the inside of the lips. I'm just gonna make it a little bit like this and shade it from where the light source is coming. So just a bit here and there, like, see the core shadow, that is there. Okay, my sister is here now. If you have that done, then nice. Let's start with the nose then. Oops. I am just gonna fix this, and yeah. Just quickly make this way of where the nose starts. Congratulations everyone, you made it till the end of the video, and wow, we have done a nice job, and you have made your own scarf girl today with me. Good job, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.